The Massey Ferguson 385, a machine built for strength, endurance, and years of hard work in the fields. Day after day, season after season, this tractor has carried the weight of real labor. But time leaves its mark on everything. The once bright red paint is now faded. Dust and rust cover the body. And the machine that once looked powerful now appears worn and tired. Years of farming, heavy use, and harsh weather have slowly taken away its original shine. Yet, its spirit still remains. Because machines like this are more than metal. They are part of hard work, dedication, and daily life. What you are about to witness is not just cleaning or repainting. This is a complete visual revival, a transformation, that brings life back to a machine that has served for years without stopping. The process begins with deep cleaning. Layers of dirt and grease are removed carefully, revealing the strong body beneath. Every surface is prepared with precision before the restoration begins. Then comes the color. A fresh, bold red slowly returns to the tractor, bringing back the powerful identity of the Massey Ferguson 385. Piece by piece, the machine begins to look alive again. The shine returns, the strength returns, the presence returns, and by the end of this journey, this old tractor will stand once again with pride, ready for the fields like never before. This is not just restoration. This is bringing hard work back to life.
Leitschritt wie und Franze und Atale endlich Batschussatz wie Charmant हो गया है और सत्या लुकविन से बन रटिन 5 अप्रैल